And this what we get after opening it up. And this what we get after opening it up. Absolutely gone. And that's how you, after finally opening it up, and that's what we see. Absolutely gone. There's no way you're gonna get connection there. Sel also had this thing with him. He said he took it off from it, but I don't know where it goes. He mentioned that's one of these things, communication channels, I believe. He's got it up there pretty bad. So it's only 4 that required, but he put 12 in it. I don't know, it started, but as I mentioned, it was just in the limp mode. It didn't do anything. I found this microphone in there. That's pretty cool. Maybe some vlogger had that. My project with RX-T260 continues, so I ended up changing some contacts. I was looking at, was trying to clean these fuses and these relays, and it was kind of, I don't know, I'm not a professional or anything, but I ended up buying these contacts and this gripping tool and changed all of them. So it didn't really take that much. And the contacts, it wasn't that hard to change really, but that way I kind of, I don't know, at least. Okay, done all fuses, connected the battery. For some reason it's making noises and it reads the key, but well, let's try to hit this maybe. Power switch on. Nice ink. I wonder what can it be. So it's mixed that noise. Now I'm gonna try putting the key in. Normal key. I don't know what the fuck that is. No start. Alright, I'm gonna play around, see what's going on. Okay, very strange thing going on. I don't know, I'm not a pro. I'm putting a new display in and it basically does this. 2 beeps. I'm not touching anything. It does that. Then I'll try to start it. Nothing. Then I'll try again. It starts and it dies. No idea. Another thing, my reverse bucket, it's always in this position, doesn't come down. No idea why. Now, when I disconnect the display panel, it will start and run. I can rev it, but it feels like in I'll show you. So when I disconnect the panel and I'll get it to start, it starts and runs, and I can also rev it. Not as sharp, but it revs. So what the hell that is? Okay, it's next few days now. I took this thing off, I think it's called basket, and managed to get an IBR. It looks all good. Contacts look fine to me, and I was cleaning them. And this is the IBR unit. I'm not sure if this meant to turn by hand or not, I tried connecting 12 volt to here. I don't know if I did something to it now or not. I think it goes to motor. I took it apart. It looks all good. The brushes look good, and but it's just sparking, and not it feels like it's blocked. So what I did, I took this cover off, and there's a plate. I'm not sure how they're called, like a green plate, like a computer plate. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all these off now and have a look if there's a mechanical bit to it. Maybe there's something happened there. Okay, that's where I am now. I took this cover off. It's got this, I'm guessing it's a silicone, which is not hard to put it on. You just got to clean up. The only thing, as you can see, this part, most likely meant to be silicone there, but the water got in there. It's right here, yeah, right there. That's where it sits. It didn't go to the mechanism at all, but it definitely needs to be cleaning. So it's a good that I took it off. Another thing that I noticed, so this is the mechanism that I understand that moves around, and as a result spins this thing. These things, these gaskets, there's definitely grease on it, but the grease, it's sticky, mega sticky. I'm gonna grab a rag. Where's my other rag? Yeah, so, and I think I'm gonna put this back. I took it off. The brushes look good. So took it off to spin it, and when I'm trying to spin it, I can spin it. I don't know if you can see, but it goes super hard. Actually, can I? Hold on a sec. So it's, I think that need to spin on the shaft. That's electrical motor, right? These gaskets, I'm not sure if they're meant to spin, but they've got a grease on it. So I'm guessing. I'm trying to spin, and only maybe a centimeter that I tried to spin. So I'm gonna try to remove this part, and then surely this is if that's where it's getting stuck, that would create a problem. So I'm gonna clean this up. Another section up here, I don't know if I can take that off, I don't know, but it would be good to service it as well. So this is the part I was talking about. It would be good to service this part as well, if I can take it off. I don't know how you take it off. Anyway, we'll try to figure it out. For now, I'm gonna just try to clean this up. I'm gonna use some, I don't know, WD-40 maybe, and see how it works. And then I'm gonna close that up so dirt doesn't go in there. Apart from that, it looks okay. I took this off as well, this side, so I completely separated the motor. I think I'll put it together and I'll test it, because it's definitely spins here. Give it a test. I'll just put a dirt bike battery on it. I think it'll be alright. And see what the problem is here. But I think the problem is actually right there. That's where it's getting stuck. Let's can't even take it out. It would be good to take this off, but I'm not sure how it's done. I'll try giving it a whack. See what happens. Basically pry that up there, look with screwdriver, and that thing's come out. So I can see it spins now. So definitely this needs cleaning. And you can see there's a grease that went off. I just sprayed WD-40 in there and pin training oil. And this part also came off. That looks pretty good. You just need to be cleaning, a little bit of grease will be fine. New silicone will be brand new. Now I just gotta test the motor, and if the motor works, then I think the whole IBR theoretically should work. Give it a go. I'm getting excited. It's all cleaning up well. This wash is actually plastic. There's nothing to it. There's nothing can be to it. So I'm gonna put that back. Gonna clean this with a razor. I'm gonna clean this probably with gentle wire brush. Fix it up nicely, and put a new silicone, and then put it all back together. The motor works. I just checked it, and I think it's a cheaper fix. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean this up all up. So what I decided to do is put it together and just have a look if it's gonna work. Put a little bit grease, and then I'm gonna put it on a ski and see.